Hi there. In my previous post I showed how I got this LED to blink using the MSP430, and I thought I would make a follow-up video to show a couple of tricks that I think are kind of neat. I altered the program on the MSP430, so now it's just a blink. It's just a steady blink. It doesn't speed up anymore. But anyway, one of the tricks I'd like to show you is that I am now powering the MSP430 using a couple of coin cell batteries. The MSP430 only needs a minimum of 1.8 volts, and it doesn't need much current either, as I found out when I measured the power consumption. So here's what we got: two coin cell batteries, and it provides roughly 3 volts. And to connect them temporarily for this test, I'm just using alligator cables and magnets. The neodymium magnets actually conduct electricity, so I can use them to connect these coin cell batteries together without soldering. Oh man, these magnets are very strong. Using the 3 neodymium magnets, we can connect 2 coin cell batteries together. So these 2 coin cell batteries will provide the power to run the microcontroller. There's the positive lead and the negative lead. So the microcontroller is connected to the battery, but I'm not really sure why, but I have to short out the jumper to get it to get started. That's a reset pin on the microcontroller. So now the microcontroller is turning on the transistor, which allows this battery pack over here to supply power to the LED. So that's one trick, showing 2 coin cell batteries powering this microcontroller using neodymium magnets. The other trick I want to show is modifying the circuit just a little bit. The only thing I'm adding is a capacitor across the LED and resistor. And you can watch and see how that affects the glowing of the LEDs. So I plug So now with the capacitor in there, we're smoothing out the on and off of the light, and now it just glows. I'm going to turn off the lights. So now with the capacitor, we have kind of a more of a warm fade in and fade out effect. It's not so abrupt anymore. But I just wanted to show and remind everyone that you don't need a microcontroller to fade in and fade out. You can just use a simple capacitor. I got this capacitor for free. I took my soldering iron and removed the components off of this little circuit board that was inside of a compact fluorescent light bulb. The CFL died. It wasn't working anymore. So I salvaged the parts off of them, and that's one of the parts right there, a little capacitor. So without the capacitor, the LED does a sudden on, sudden off. That looks cool too. But if you're looking for a more soothing fade in and fade out, you can put the capacitor in there and smooth that out. I want to show you one last thing. If I take this LED out and put in a different one, Okay, I put in a single white LED, and the little trick I wanted to show you is how the color changes from white to blue if I put this bottle cap on top of it. And I'll turn off the lights. Just think this is kind of a neat effect with the bottle cap on top of the LED. Makes kind of an interesting glowing pattern. And to me it looks like the color is changing to more of a blue instead of a white. I think the reason why is because the inside of the bottle cap has a blue plastic piece on it. If I raise it up a little bit, it's kind of like a lampshade. Anyway, I just thought maybe someday I'll do something with that. Use it as some kind of indicator. Alright, thanks for watching.